let me know that everything is fine. Please use chat box, friend. Use the chat box. Use chat box, okay na? See, if I'm saying that use the chat box, I want from everyone reply, okay na? Everyone reply. Yeah, because really I need each and every one response, friend. Okay. So, okay, fine, fine. That's a good. Based on your reply, I can understand who is the what, who is the listening the session carefully, and who is the active. Okay, na. I need activeness also from your side. Okay, it's not meaning that he just by listening the things. Just you people will confident when once if you do complete the practical. If you people complete the practical, then confidence will come. Okay, na, easily confidence will not come. Okay, na, this concept spring too much to doing spring application, right? If spring application too much, what is that? Too much analysis is need. Okay, na? Too much analysis need, friend. Okay, so if I'm prepared the subject this much this much, what is that easiest way if I'm delivering, right? Means think about that how much I did hard work. Okay, okay, let it be, let it be. Let's understand the things. Okay, now let's understand the things. Okay, so our API, no, I want an n number, right? Minimum also, if we are if no, I don't want restrict. If we not put right minimum later also, still our condition will be true. If taking the maximum n number also word, okay na, then still for that what just we will use here what star symbol. We will use what star symbol, right? We will use the star symbol. Okay na. After then what, after then, no, minimum 1 letter, right? Minimum 1 letter, maximum we can't restrict. Okay na. So for that what symbol we will use? Plus symbol, right? If we use the plus symbol, it will indicate, this plus symbol will indicate what? Minimum 1 letter you have to take. Okay now, between 0 to 9, between 0 to 9, minimum 1 letter you have to take. Maximum I don't want to give the restriction. Okay na, I don't want to give to restriction. Okay, so fine, so fine. So now, okay, so next what is that? Next what is that? No, minimum here what is that? Minimum one, maximum n, right? So here what is that? Minimum one and maximum one, right? So no, I want minimum 0, maximum n. Minimum one, maximum. Oh, sorry, minimum 0 between. I want between this letter, right? Minimum 1 letter, minimum 0, maximum n number. So for that, what we will use? Question mark symbol. We will use what? Question mark symbol, right? So based on that, we will what is that? We validate the API. Okay, na. So for that, okay. So let's understand. Okay, na, normal core Java, how we can write the expression and how we can validate it. Okay, na, how we can validate it. First, we will understand using core Java. Then I will implement. Okay, na. Then I will implement. Okay, na. Then I will. Manjulata, please unmute. Stop your video. Yeah, okay na, minimum. Okay, fine, fine. So okay, so what we will do now? So let's move on and we will see the API. But these are the expression, these are the expression, friend. Okay na, these are the expression. Fine. So these are the expression. Okay na, we have need to pass, but API pattern is given some method where we can write it, where we can write it. Okay, no problem, Manjulata, no need to say sorry. Okay na. Okay, let it be. Okay, so pattern API. Okay na. So but some method is there. Okay now, how we can write? So whenever we are working on the Python, right, the Python object we will use. What is that? Python, right? Python, just I'm taking r equal to, what is that? Python, right? After then inside that Python, what is that? One method is there. Which method is there? Compile, right? Compile. Which method is there? Compile, right? Compile. Inside that, inside this compile method, what we will do now? This expression we will pass. Okay na, this expression we will pass. Which expression? I want just my API to accept what? A to z minimum 4 and small letter A to Z, A to Z. Okay na, A to Z minimum. What is that? Minimum 4 letter. Minimum, what is that? A to Z. 1 minute, friend. Okay na, this is wrong. This yeah, this one minimum. What is that? Minimum 4 minimum 4, what is that? Maximum, right? Maximum, what is that? 7 letter, right? 7. Just I'm giving this expression, friend, okay na? Just I'm giving this expression here, okay? I'm giving what? This expression here. Fine. Okay, so now let's move on. Let's move on and we will see that, okay? We will see that. So like that we will write in the Java code. After then what is that? After then, okay na? So now, friend, okay na? So okay, so what is that? This is the expression. It will compile based on that whatever input we will give, right? Based on this expression only we will give the input. Otherwise, what is that? Otherwise, we will give what? Means this Python API only two result will give: true, true, true and false, right? True and what is that? False. True and false. This API will give what? Two results, only true and false. Means based on that our input, based on our input, right? Based on our input, based on our input, if this expression will match, then we will get which result? Which result? True. If this expression is not matching this, then we will get what? False, right? False. If we are getting the false result, means whatever we are giving the input, that input is not matching with this expression, right? If we are getting the true result, right? True result means based on that expression we are getting what? We are getting what? Our result, okay na? Our result is true, means whatever expression is there and whatever input we are giving, both are the matching based on this one, okay na? So Python API, so in the Python API compile method is there. Compile method, inside that compile method we are passing that what? We are passing that expression, right? We are passing the expression, okay na? So now fine, okay, so let's next what will happen now? Next what will happen now? Let's see that, okay na? So after then what is that? Matcher. For that, how we will give the input, where we will give the input? For that, one more method is there, right? One more method is there. What? In the Python API only, in the Python API, okay na? So in the Python API, what then? But how? What is that? R dot. We will take the reference of Python matching, because this expression is there in the Python API, right? So for that, what is that? Matcher method is there. Matcher. Matcher method is there. Inside this method argument, inside this matcher argument, what we will pass? How much what is it's taking here? I take A, right? This one is the minimum 3. Think about that. This one is the minimum 3, friend, okay? This one is the minimum 3, okay na? Okay, so this is the minimum 3. I wrote wrong, okay na? I wrote wrong, because of that we are getting, okay? Okay, now so fine, let's move on. Let's move on and we will see that. We will see that next level discussion, okay? Okay, so now matcher, right? Here what I'm going to do now? Minimum 3, maximum 7, right? So what we will do now? Between which one? A small letter, just we will pass the a small letter, right? So just I'm taking what is that? Padma, right? So Padma name is what? Padma name is what? Between 3 to 1 2 3 4 5, 5 letter, means condition will true, right? Condition will true, okay na? So condition will true, okay, fine. So means we can get that condition as a true, and all letter I taken what? Capital small letter, right? Means the small letter inside that argument I taken what? A to Z is small letter only, right? Small letter only, okay, fine. So but this matcher method, what it will return now? What method? Matcher object only. This method will return what? Matcher object. This method will return what is that? Matcher object, okay na? Okay, so what is that? matcher, matcher m equal to this object will return this one, okay na? But in this matcher object, right? In this matcher object, one method is there. That method will check whether this condition is true or false, right? Whether this condition is true or false. So how we can it? How which method? So we will take again the reference of this method, okay na? What is that? Matcher method means m dot what? M dot matches method is there. What is that? matches, matches method is there. This matches method is returning back what? Boolean, right? This method return type is what? Boolean, okay na? Okay na? Yeah, this method is written what? Boolean, okay na? Boolean. So what is that? Boolean just flag, flag, flag I'm taking, right? Boolean flag I'm taking here, okay? So now fine. So I'm taking here, what is that? Boolean flag, friend, okay? So now fine. So it's returning what? It's returning means condition is true, right? So condition is true means it will return true only, right? It will return what? True. If think about that, just I'm taking between p is there, small letter I'm taking here. If I'm taking p letter as what? Capital letter. If I'm taking the p letter as what? Capital letter, right? If I'm taking this p letter as what? Capital letter, then what it will happen? What it will happen now means condition will become false. Okay na, condition will become false. Use the chat box. Anybody having any doubt, let me know that till now. If anybody having any doubt till now, let me know that. Use the chat box. Suddenly I want to each and everyone reply. Each and everyone reply I want just now. Okay na, use the chat box, friend. Okay na, why I'm stressing to you people? Because from here onward, right, too much analysis is there, too much analysis is there. Okay, so everyone, what is the no? I'm not understanding. Ayodele, no, no means what I can understand. You are understanding or not? Yeah. Okay na, okay, so let's move on, let's move on. Okay, let's move on. So okay, till now the things we completed, right? We completed, but what we are going to do now, let's understand as a practical. Just this is what the just we are writing the code on the notepad, right? But we will see as a practical. We will create one small core application, core Java application with main method. In that we will check it, and when I will implement, you people will catch too much easily, right? Too much easily when I will validate input, because based on this mature API only I'm going to validate our page input. This page input I will what is that? I will validate. Okay na, I will validate based on this one only, friend. Okay na, so let's move on, and we will see that. Okay na, let's move on and we will see each and everything. Okay na, so okay, so let's start it. Okay, let's start it. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to create one small application, right? I'm going to create one small application and we will see each and everything in that application only, right? So okay, so now new. So just leave this application. Yesterday application no need is still. Okay na, still when it's need, I will explain, friend. Okay na, I will explain again and again. Okay na, I don't want to make you people confused. Confusion no need here. We don't want to become what is that? Just think about that. I don't want to make you people confused, right? Because of that I'm explaining what is that these things. Okay, otherwise directly I can write it, friend. Okay na, I know that the people heard about Python API, but no one is know that how we can use the Python API, right? So first this is the core concept. I'm going to create one is application, right? Core Java application. Okay, so Java application, I'm going to take what is that? Just normal main method. With the main method, one application. Okay, one application. Okay na, and there only we will understand each and everything. Okay na, so just what is that? Python API application. Okay na, Python API application. Next. Okay, next, now finish it. Okay na, next, now finish it. Okay, so our core application, this one, right? Python API. Okay na, Python API. What I'm going to do now, just I'm going to create one test class. Okay na, test class I'm creating here. Okay na, so okay, so let's see that, okay na. So what is that? Just I'm taking test, friend. No need. Okay na, don't worry about, we have need to understand just a concept here. Okay na, because of that I'm creating this application. Okay, because of that I'm creating this application. Okay now, so fine, let's move on, and we will see that, as whatever our theory is there as a practical, we will see our theory as a practical. Okay now, so okay, so okay, now I'm deleting this one. See what I said that. Okay now, so 1 minute, friend. My daddy is calling, right? Just hold it. My daddy is calling now. Okay, na. So just I had morning onward today. I did not talk with my parents. Okay, na. He's calling me. I think I don't know because today festival also there, right? Festival our Indian. Yeah, between A to Z we can take any letter, right? But what is that? How many? Minimum four, maximum four. Okay, the condition is satisfied or not? Minimum four means four letter is there, but not maximum five, right? Maximum five is not there. So means condition is true. Then what we will get the TRUE. what result we will get? True, right? So let's run that and we will see that. Let's run this one and we will see that. Yeah, true. Okay na? So just I'm removing, right? Just I'm taking what is a 3 letters. So let me know that what output we will get. What output we will get, friend? Let me know that. Now in this time we will get true or false? True or false? Yeah, false, because 4 letter, minimum 4 letter, but this is the 3 letter only, right? So we will get what? We will get what? See, false condition. Okay na? So come to, right? Come to, what is that? What I'm going to do now? What I'm going to do now? Okay. So I'm going to write what is that expression, right? Except only 3 uppercase letter, right? Uppercase letter. Okay na? So just I'm going to explain it again here. Come to here, right? So if we want, right, if we want to accept our API, accept what is that, only three letter, so we can write, right, we can write like this expression. We can write like this also, right? A to Z. Again we can write what is that, A to Z. Again we can write what is that, again we can write A to Z, right? So it's meaning that between A to Z here, what is that, we can take 3 letters, we can take 3 letter, right? We can take 3 letter, but no, this one will become long, so I want to use what, short format. So if we want to use short formats, what we will do now, A to Z, right? A to Z, we will write like this. After then what is that, open bracket and a close bracket. If we write open bracket close bracket, means equivalent, this code is equivalent to this code is equivalent to this much only, right? So we can write like this also and we can write like this also, but only between what is that, between A to Z, between A to Z, what is that, our letter will accept what is that, A also can accept, B also can accept, and C also. Except that if we increase, then condition will become false. Condition will become false, right? Condition will become false, right? So now come in the application and we will see that. Okay, na? So just what I'm going to do now? What I'm going to do now? Just take A to Z, right? Again, what I'm going to do now? A to Z, right? A to Z. Again, I'm taking what is that? A to Z. Again, what is that? A to Z, right? A to Z. Okay. So this is the 3 expression, right? So what I'm going to do now? Okay, na? So okay, PAD. Just I'm taking the same things. Okay, na? Means in this time, just let me know that what is that, true or false? True or false? True or false? Use the chat box. Use the chat box. Today I will make you people too much active, right? Everyone should be involved in the discussion. Okay. Today our discussion is like this only. Yeah. So now I'm running this application. Okay, now running this application. Okay, true. Means all people are given what? Correct answer. All people is given what? Correct answer. I'm happy. I'm happy. Everyone is catching the things. Okay, na? Everyone is catching the things. Really appreciated everyone. Okay na, we are going too good, friends. Okay na, we are going too good. Okay na. So wonder will not come a single day. It's take time. I'm always with you people. Whatever my knowledge is there, I will deliver to you people. Just follow it, and even whatever you have the knowledge, just share with me. Okay na, because I also can learn something from you people. Okay na, it's not meaning that I'm explaining here I only know everything. Yeah, some quality is there inside you people also, so those quality also I have need to learn. Okay na, so please don't hesitate to share with me. Okay na, anything. Okay na, just think about that. Your what is that, chaddi bandi friend. Okay. Chaddi bandi friend. Okay, no need to treat me what, voice is coming slow. Oh, voice is coming slow now. Fine. My now fine, friend. Voice is fine na. Yeah, just you know, our what nursery friend think about me ki I am your nursery friend. Okay na. Okay, so now fine. Okay, so now fine. So okay, we are going to good. But instead of writing this much code, right, instead of writing this much code, what we will do now, we will write the short format, right? We will write the short format. Why we will write this much code? So for that, what we will do now, just I'm writing what, 3. Just I'm writing what, 3. So it still means this one is the same only. We are getting the true or not. If we are taking PADA, Padma, right, means just I'm PADA या मेरा, right? Okay. So in this time what we will get, True or false? True or false? True or false? Let me know that. True or false? Yeah. Correct, correct. Okay, na. So the condition is false. Okay, na. Condition is false. Okay, na. Condition is false. See, we are getting the false result. Okay, na. We are getting the false result. Okay. So now, okay. So in this time, what on the notepad? I'm writing one statement. Okay, na. Based on the statement, you people write the expression and use the chat box and give me the answer. Okay na, give me the answer. Okay na. So what is my condition? What is my condition? Okay na. Except what is that? Except what is that? Except uppercase cash, right? Uppercase minimum what is that? Minimum 4, and what is that? Maximum what is that? Maximum 25. Okay, this is the statement, friend. Okay now, this is the statement. Based on this statement, you people write the expression and use the chat box. Use the chat box. Send the privately, friend, because others also, everyone, if you use the everyone, others also will see the expression and they can copy and paste it. Okay now, I don't want to hear these things. Okay, we are learning the things. Okay now, use the chat box. Only two member, Vipin and Suraj. What about others? Chandan, A to Z, 4 to 5. 4 to 5. Chandan wrong. Okay, Chandan wrong. Another, yeah, Chandan wrong. Correct yourself, Chandan, correct yourself where you are doing the mistake. Saurabh wrong. Saurabh wrong. Ayodele wrong. Another people. You people are correct only. Okay na. Chandan, Ayodele, everyone is correct only, but see where you are doing the mistake in the expression. We have need to observe those things also. Okay na. So what about others? Others people are listening, or just they are use the chat box. Okay. Manjulata correct. Chandan, yeah, now Chandan correct. Now Chandan correct. Padma wrong. Padma wrong. See where you are doing the mistake. Where you are doing the mistake. Now Ayodele correct. Ayodele correct. Okay na? Correct. Yeah. Padma, see where you are doing the mistake. Please correct yourself. See one more time and send the code. I am waiting. I'm waiting your result. Okay na? Bracket are not there in the mobile. Okay. Now fine, Padma. Now fine. Okay na? Now fine. Okay, now fine. Okay, so let's what is that? Except upper character curse and minimum 4 and maximum 5, right? This is our expression. Okay na. So let's write it. What is that? A to Z, upper letter. Minimum what is that? 4 comma what is that? 25, right? 25. Okay. Now tell condition is true or not, false. Same letter. If I run, then what I will get the result? True or false? True or false? Let me know that. True or false? Use the chat box. Use the chat box. Yes. Correct. Everyone is correct. Everyone is correct. Okay, na. So now true. Condition is what? True. True. Just tell where we are doing the mistake. Mm. Why we get the false? Friend, let me know that. Why condition is false? Use the chat box. Use the chat box. Let me know that. 5 cash there. Use the chat box. Give the answer. Why we are getting the false answer? Let me know that. Anybody observe it? Anybody observe this question? Why we are getting false? Because this is the based on our analysis, this one should be true, right? This one should be true, but why we are getting yes, file is not safe. Okay, file is not safe. Okay, save it. File is not safe, correct. Okay, because of that, what we are getting condition is true, but still we are getting the false, because intentionally I did not save this file. Okay, now because of that, now condition is true. See, true. We are getting the result true or not. Don't worry, I have the capacity to control from here also. Okay, now It's not meaning that we are not involved as a physically. So I know that based on the your response and how you are, I can understand who is the how much active. Okay, who is the how much active. But just I don't want to use my brain. Okay, so just I don't want to use my brain. Otherwise, I can make you people too much active. Okay, na. Based on that, your reply, I can understand who is how much active. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on and let's we see that, right? We will see that. Okay, we will see that next expression, friend. Okay, na. Again, I'm going to write one more expression. Okay, na. One more expression. Okay, one more expression. What is that? Start. Yes, T start. What is that? Start with what is that? Start with what is that? Uppercase, right? Start with uppercase character, right? Care. After then what is that? Later. After then what is that? Later. After then what is that? Later. Both case accepted, right? Both case. Later, both case. Later, what is that? Both upper and lower case, right? Case. Both upper and lower case accept, right? Accepted. After then what is that? Minimum. What is that? Minimum what? Minimum 4. And what is that? Max what is that? Max what is that? 25. This is our expression, right? This is our expression. Can you write it? Can you write it? Suraj. Suraj, not correct. Okay, na. But you tried. It's really. Bipin, correct. Bipin, correct. Bipin, really correct. Okay, na. Really correct. Still, I did not explain this one, but still, if you people is catching the things, means really appreciated to you people. Okay, na. Still, if you are accepting these things, okay, na. Because I'm saying that still I'm not. What is that? Explain this concept, but still you people is accepted, means really. So only what is that? Saurabh, you're correct. Okay, na. After then Bipin, you're correct. Okay, na. Bipin, you're correct. Okay, na. Manjulata, A to Z. No, Manjulata. Don't feel shy. Okay, na. Don't feel hesitate and don't ever feel anything. Okay, na. First time, na. Once if we see, right, A to Z 4 5. Ayodele, little bit you reached, but not correct. Little bit you reached, but not correct. Because I'm only saying that still I'm not explain this expression, na? Because of that, you people is not able to explain. Let's one time I will explain. Second time onward, if I ask also, right? Second time onward, if I ask also, you people give the reply. Okay, na? You people easily give the reply. Okay, na? So let's understand this expression, right? What is that? Start with uppercase, right? Means whatever expression should start what? Uppercase, right? Uppercase. No, Chandan, not correct. Okay, see that. Don't worry, I will clarify your confusions, right? I will clarify your confusions. Okay, na. So what is that? Start with uppercase. Okay, na. So means whenever we are thinking about that, whenever the question is like that, okay, na, start with uppercase, later both case accepted. After then what is that? Both case accepted, minimum 4 and maximum 25, right? But whatever expression is there, in that expression first letter should be capital. First letter should be capital, like this. What is the meaning? That it should be like, just I'm taking Padma, right? Padma. This name here. What is that? First letter should be capital, right? Should be capital. Okay. So how we can write the expression? I'm going to explain it, friend. Okay, na? Please concentrate. Okay, na? A to Z. Manjulata is still yeah, correct only, but the bracket whatever you are used, right? That bracket is not correct. Okay, Suraj is still not correct. Okay, na? Suraj is still not correct. We can't take like this. Okay, na? We can't take like this. Suraj is still not correct. Okay, so now let's see that. Okay, I'm going to explain it. Please concentrate. Okay, na? Okay, I'm going to explain it. Okay, so fine. Okay, na. So think about that. This is okay. Okay, yeah, Manjulata, I understand your point. Means mobile, if you are using, I can understand. No, they are back at. Yeah, I can got it. Your point. Okay. So now, fine. So let's understand. Understand and see that, right? Let's see that the things how it will work now. Okay, na? How it will work. Okay, na? Then we will move on. So means what is that? First letter. What is that? Capital. So how we can? How we will give now? Like that. Okay, na? First letter. just between a to z, right? Our letter will be a to z. Okay na, this is this expression. Later what is that, later what is that? Stop, don't use the chat box, I'm going to explain it. Okay na. So now a to z, a to z, later what is that? Both a to z mix up, mixed word, right? Mixed word. Okay na. A to z, what is that? Mixed word. So for that again we will take open bracket, close bracket. Inside that, what is that? Inside that a to z mix up, right? A to z and a to z, a to z, like this we will give. And what is that expression? Minimum 4 and maximum 5, right? Minimum 4 and maximum 5, right? So what is that? Minimum 4 and maximum 5, like that. Like this we will write the expression, like this we will write the expression. Then our API will accept what is that? First letter is the capital letter, and all after then all is the small only, right? After then all are the small. Oh yeah, 25, it's my mistake. Okay, 25, 25. Okay na, 25. Okay na. So like that we will write the expression, right? Like this we will write the expression. Then our API will accept first letter. What is that? First letter capital letter, right? First letter capital letter. Okay na. So let's see that, let's see that. Okay na, let's see that. Okay na, let's see that. Okay, let's see that as a practical, it's working or not. So what is that? First we are taking, right here, what I'm going to do now, what I'm going to do now, just what is that? A to z. After then what is that? A to z. After then what is that? A to z, right? A to z. Okay na. So now, so now what is that? If means this expression is correct, true or false, let me know that. Use the chat box, this expression is true or false. True or false, please active. Don't waste the time, give the reply, give the reply each and everyone. Yeah.